I am from Gogras Math Sub. I shall explain question number 1, Roman 15, that has been taken from exercise 6.4, chapter 6, approximation of NCERT 12 mathematics. The question is, using differentials, find the approximate value of 32.15 raised to the power 1 over 5 up to 3 places of decimal. Now come out to solution here. Here I have written solution implied that. Here I shall write let f of x equal to x raised to the power 1 over 5. Here you can see f of x is fixed here, x is fixed here. Here you can see the index is 1 over 5. Here the core value consists of index 1 over 5. The same index as core value has 1 over 5. Here index is 1 over 5. The same value, the same index 1 over 5 will be reflected here 1 over 5. Here x is fixed, f of x is fixed. What will do next? Here I shall write implied that dWRT x. dWRT x means differentiating f of x with respect to x comes out to be implied that d over dx of f of x equal to d over dx of x raised to the power 1 over 5 comes out to be d over dx of f of x comes out to be f dash of x equal to d over dx of x raised to the power 1 over 5 comes out to be 1 over 5 x raised to the power 1 over 5 minus 1. Now again I shall write implied that f dash of x equal to 1 over 5 x raised to the power. Now find out 1 over 5 minus 1 comes out to be 1 over 5 minus 5 over 5. You will get here LCM will be 5, 1 minus 5, you will get here minus 4 over 5. So here we have got minus 4 over 5. This value we have got. F dash of x equal to 1 over 5 dot x raised to the power minus 4 over 5. This is the rough one. I am going to erase this one. Now again I can write very well implied that f dash of x equal to 1 over 5 x raised to the power 4 over 5. This value we have got. Now come out to next. Next I shall write the core value. Core value is equal to 32.15. Here you can see in the given function the core value is 32.15. The core value we have got 32.15 will be splitted into two parts. First part equal to x and second part equal to delta x. What will do next? Here again I shall write now the core value 32.15 equal to x plus delta x. This thing will be there. Now again I shall write implied that let x is equal to y raised to the power the index I shall take from this place. Here you can see x has the index 1/5. Here 1/5 is a fraction. From the fraction 1/5 I shall take only denominator. So here denominator is 5. The same denominator 5 will be reflected here as index. I shall write here 5. Here the denominator is 5. The same 5 will be reflected here as index as 5. The x is equal to y raised to the power 5 approximate 32.15. What to do? Now you have to find out the value of y. Implied that value of y is equal to what? Now you have to determine the value of y. Here y raised to the power 5. The value of y you have to determine. What to do in this case? The value of y I shall take any value that will be a natural number. The whole raised power 5 will be approximate to 32.15. So here you can see 32.15. The 32, you must remember 32. And now get the prime factors of 32 here. Prime factors of 2, you will get here 16. You will get here 2, you will get here 8. Now get here 2, you will get here 4. Now it will get here 2, here get 2, 1. 2 to the 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you will get 2 raised to the 5 is equal to 32. This one you have got. And now what will do here? The value of y I shall put here 2. 2 raised to the power 5 comes out to be 32. 32 approach to 32.15. So here I shall write again let y equal to 2 implied that x equal to, put the value of y equal to 2 here. In place of y I shall write here 2. So 2 raised to power 5 implied that x equal to 2 raised to the power 5 comes out to be 32. 32 approach to 32.15. Now again I shall write let x equal to 32, then delta x equal to 32.15 minus 32 implies that delta x we shall get 0.15. X equal to 32 and delta x equal to 0.15. This is the rough work, you can cancel out here. Now what to do here? The value of x 32, delta x you have got 0.15. Now by using the formula, by using the formula implied that f of x plus delta x equal to f of x plus delta x dot f dash of x. This is the formula you must remember. What to do in this case? Here I shall write f. In place of x I shall write here x is equal to 32. So here write 32 plus the value of delta x I shall take from this place 0.15 equal to f of x I shall take from this place f of x equal to x raised to the power 1 over 5. So here I shall write x raised to the power 1 over 5 plus value of delta x I shall put here 0.15 or f dash of x I shall get the value from this place. So here write 1 over 5 x raised to the power 4 over 5. 4 over 5 I shall write this one. Now what to do next? Next I shall write 32 plus 0.15 comes out to be 32.15 equal to x raised to the power 1 over 5. In place of x I shall write 32. So here write 32 raised to the power 1 over 5 plus 0.15 I shall write here 1 over 5. In place of x I shall write 32 raised to the power 4 over 5. This thing we have got. Now what should I do here? Here again I shall write implied that here f of 32.15. In place of x I shall put here 32.15. So here I shall write 32.15. So here write 32.15 raised to the power 1 over 5 equal to here 32. In place of 32 I can write 2 raised to the power 5. So here open curly bracket 2 raised to the power 5 whole raised to the power 1 over 5. 2 raised to the power 5 comes out to be 32 raised to the power 1 over 5 plus 0.15. Here write 1 over in bracket 5 32. In place of 32 I shall write 2 raised to the power 5 whole raised to the power 4 over 5. This thing we have got. Now again I shall write here implied that 32.15 raised to the power 1 over 5. 32.15 raised to the power 1 over 5. Here 5 into 1 over 5. So this 5 will be cancelled out. Here we will get only 2 plus 0.15 I shall write 0.15 1 over in bracket I shall write 5 or here 2 raised to the power 5 whole raised to the power 4 over 5. 5 will be cancelled out. We will get here 4. 2 raised to the power 4 I shall write 2 raised to the power 4. This thing we will write. Again we will get here implied that 32 0.15 raised to the power 1/5 is equal to 2 plus 0.15 1/2 raised to the power 4 comes out to be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 raised to the power 4. 2 raised to the power 4 comes out to be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 2 the 16. So you will get here 5 into 16. This thing will get. Now again I shall write implied that 32.15 raised to the power 1/5 comes out to be 2 plus 0.15 over 16 will multiply to 5 comes out to be 80. 16 80 will get. So again I shall write implied that 32.15 raised to the power 1/5 is equal to 2 plus 15 over 80. 80 here 80 I have repeated. After decimal 2 digits are available, so here in numerator as well as denominator will multiply by 100. So you will get here in numerator 15, I will get here 00 again. You will get here 8000. Now what to do here? 8000 will be divided by 15. Let us see. 8000 will be divided by 15. So here 8000 will be divided by 15. You will get here 5 times it will go 75. 15 5 just 75. You will get here 5 50. I think it will not go 50. Again you will get 15 3 ja 45. 15 3 ja 45. You will get here 5 like this you will get. So this is not possible. So what to do next? Now what to do? 15 will be divided by 8000. So now I will going to erase this one. 15 will be divided by 8000. Let us see how this operation will be proceeded on. 15 will be divided by 8000. Here 15 is there. So put here 0. So here I shall write 0 point. If you add here point, if you add here decimal, so here 0 will be added. Now we have got 150. 150 can't be divided by 8000. So what we will do here? Put here 0. Again write here 0. Now again you can see can't be divided. So again I shall write here 0. So put here 0. Now this thing you have got. Now what we will do next? Next how many times it will go? Let us see. 1. Here write 1. So here you will get 3 zeros in sequence. Here write 8. So you will get here 7,000. Again write here 0. How many times it will go? Approx 9 times you can write very well. 9 9 times approx value you will get here 9 point. So what to what should write here? So again I shall write here implied that 32.15 raised to the power 1 over 5 is equal to 2 plus 15 will be divided by 8000. The quotient we have got 0.0019. Again I shall write implied that 32.15 raised to the power 1 over 5 is equal to 2.0019. 2.0019. This thing you have got. Correct answer you have got. This is approx value. Approx value 32.15 raised to the power 1 over 5. Approximate value comes out to be 2.0019. That will be the correct answer we have got. Now I shall check the answer from the key point here. So just wait for a while. I shall check the answer from the key point. Correct answer we have got 2.0019. Answer you have got. Answer is correct. The approximate value of 32.15 raised to the power 1 over 5 comes out to be 2.0019. This is the rough work can be cancelled here, and this is the proper explanation and solution of question number 1, Roman 15, that has been taken from exercise 6.4, chapter 6, approximation of NCERT 12 mathematics. Okay, thanks.